Huh? Oh, hi, little baby. Hi, little baby.
Hi, kitty, kitty.
Oh, ain't you pretty babies? Ain't you your pretty baby? Oh, that's a cute little baby. So, we best not say nothing about Odin, and she's not joking. Hi, pretty baby. Oh my God! Holy crap! I ain't never seen a dog jump that high. Look, there he is, Odin. Is that Odin? Yep. Vicious. Hi dear hound dog. Rain of the hound dog. Is it old dog? Hi, pretty baby boy. Oh, daddy, pretty boy. Hi there, pretty you. Oh, ain't you that pretty? Hi, ain't you the pretty baby? Oh, ain't you the pretty baby? Yeah, you're the pretty baby. Yeah, you're the pretty baby. Oh, look at you. Oh, these are babies. Oh, they're the pretty baby. Yeah, they're the pretty baby. Ooh. Wait a minute, little babies. So, Odin's not here. So, you know what? Hey, honestly, that pretty boy. What me at her? Sit. 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 Sit, baby. Sit. Michelle. What? Oh. Hi. Hi. He's a pretty baby. Well, I didn't know they had more. Huh? I don't think so. No, they're not big enough. Yeah, no. Odin's way bigger than that. The what?
These are the ones they kill.
These are the ones they kill?
Pretty sure.
Why? Oh, the baby's out here. Look, right here. Yeah, Odin's not here. That's not him over there, right? No, it isn't. Positive.
No, that is.
It's not Odin, Michelle. Odin had black in it.
Is that not what color?
No, that's not. Oh, let's just walk over here. Look. Right here.
No, I'm pretty sure you can't get that.
No, you can, but we can get closer. Yeah, definitely not Odin. Hi. Hi, babies. What are you doing in here? Maybe this is just where they quarantine them at first.
What's the dog with you?
You know what I'm saying? Maybe this is just where they quarantine them. See? Whipworm protocol. That's probably where they quarantine them. Hear me? This is just probably where they quarantine them. Oh, did you big boy? Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Alright guys, well, so here's what's going on, guys. When we left, there was the Butler County Sheriff that passed by us and came in, was sitting at the end of the roadway, and then he went down to the street. Okay, when you leave out of this area, there's only one way to go. You can only go left, and then up there's a street, or you can go straight up to where Bridgewater Falls. shopping complex. This guy went to the right to the dead end to turn around the park and wait for us to come by. So he's waiting for us. So be prepared for me to get pulled over when we leave. So what? So guys, I'm gonna videotape everything I do when we leave. I'm gonna videotape me using my turn signals. Yeah, I played with him in there. He's a pretty boy. Hi, pretty boy. Yeah, he likes to nibble. He's a pretty boy. He's a pretty baby boy. Yeah, he's just pretty. He wants lovins. He just wants some lovins. Yeah, he does. Oh, look at you, pretty baby. Are you a gentle boy? You're a handsome boy. You a handsome boy. You a handsome boy. He'll get adopted. He'll probably get adopted. This ugly motherfucker won't. So anyways, guys, so that's what's going on, fellas, is when I leave here, I'm going to go ahead and go live because I'm sure the sheriff is still sitting down there waiting on us. We're about to see us get pulled over for absolutely no reason. We was actually coming up here to look for a dog, but he's not here. Hi, big boys. Hi. Hi there, baby. You're so handsome. Yes. Oh, so handsome. Oh, such a good boy. Yeah, you is a handsome boy. Wow, Ryder. Oh, his name Ryder. Is his name Ryder? Huh? Is his name Ryder? Yes, it is. His name's Ryder, Michelle. Taking him for a walk? Are you walking him? His name's Ryder, babe. Bye, Ryder. Aw. Look at you. Look at you, handsome baby.
Like a big old Brocky dog.
Handsome boy. Handsome baby
You
boy.
look like a big old Brocky dog. Yes,
Oh, look at you. Handsome. Oh, look, this is what Odin looked like right here, so. Come here, Ben. Come here, Ben. That's what Odin looked like, but bigger. Oh, you ain't nothing but a hand dog. Are you a hound dog? Are you a hound dog? Yes. Are you a hound dog? Look at the hound dog. He's a good boy. Oh, shit. Oh, it's okay. Nixie, be a good girl, Nixie.
They abandoned her. They dropped her off.
Oh, it's okay. Are you a big boy? Is you a hound dog? A trained Walker Coonhound. Oh, it's okay. Oh, I did. All right, guys. So that was it for the dog pound.